All right, so yes, we have another sprint today, which does mean your practice Starry Night book. It says write the missing number for each sentence. So I know it's a lot of words there. They say and, they say make, and is. The words here are and, make, is, and less. Those are the words you see. It says, so write the missing number for each sentence. I know this looks higher than what we've been doing, but it's really not. What is happening here is that we are practicing with the hide zero skill we use of teen numbers, and it is on page number, 63? Page number 63 in your practice book. And like I said, the whole purpose of this is A, getting us ready for Module 2, and B, what we worked on yesterday with the hide zero cards. I think I stalled long enough. You should have your paper, your pencil, and you're ready. You're ready. I'm going to put 1 minute on the clock. And on your mark, get set, go. Oh, we know what that means. That means time is up. So we're going to stop. We're going to go ahead and check our work. I know it's your first time seeing this format, and that's okay. Remember, 5 right answers is better than 20 wrong answers every day. So, come on. All right, let's check our work. 8 and 2 make 10. 9 and 1 make 10. 7 and 3 make 10. 6 and 4 make 10. 4 and 6 make 10. 5 and 5 make 10. 5 and 5 make 10. All right. 13 is 10 and 3. Notice, like I said, this is reflective of the hide zero number bonds we did the other day. 14 is 10 and 4 more. 16 is 10 and 6 more. 17 is 10 and 7 more. 19 is 10 and 9 more. 18 is 10 and 8 more. 12 is 10 and 2 more. 13 is 10 and 3 more. Starting at the top of column 2, 11 is 10 and 1. 11 is 1 and 10. 12 is 2 and 10. 11 is 10 and 1. 14 is 10 and 4. 15 is 5 and 10. 18 is 8 and 10. 20 is 10 and 10. 2 groups of 10. 2 more than 10 is 12. 10 more than 2 is 12. 10 is 2 less than 12. 10 is 2 less than 12. Notice they printed the same problem twice there. Maybe that was on purpose. I don't know. It's there now. 8 less than 18 is 10. 6 less than 16 is 10. And 10 less than 20 is 10. Again, dealing in tens, dealing in ways to make 10 and ways to make teen numbers where 10 is one of the parts. Good job. All right, yes, so we are ready to proceed. We see that John has 10 pencils. Mark has 9 pencils. Anna has 8 pencils. They each lost 2 of their pencils. How many do they have now? So we're going to write a number bond and a number sentence for each student. Okay, so this comes out of our Learn book on page number 261. So your Learn book, page number 261. Let's see what we got here. All right, so we have identified that we were talking about John, Mark, and Anna, and they each lost. So if you lose something, it's what? It's gone. It's taken away. So we are subtracting. I'll give you that much information. Let's set up for our 3 people with 3 number bonds, and then you're going to try it on your own. So our first number bond, this is for John. We met him first. John. Then we learn about Mark. I know, right? It's not so pretty. I'm not right so well upside down. And Anna. John, Mark, and Anna. So having this set up, I want you to try it on your own for a few minutes before we work it out together. All right. Let me step out your light. Hold on. Okay, so let's have at it. We said, and what I set you up with was John, Mark, Anna. John, Mark, and Anna. Then we were told that John has 10 pencils, okay? So is that the whole or a part? Good, that is the whole. Oh, that's a good one. Why haven't I used this one? We're told Mark has 9 pencils. Again, giving us the whole. We're told Anna has 8 pencils. Once more, the whole. We've already established that they're losing something, so they are subtracting. So we can start 10 minus, we don't know that part yet. 10 minus, because we're subtracting. Mark, 9 minus. Anna, 8 minus. Minus something. We're taking something away. So they each lost 2 of their pencils. That means John lost 2 pencils, Mark lost 2 pencils, Anna lost 2 pencils. It's not just 2 pencils gone. It's 2 of John's, 2 of Mark's, and 2 of Anna. Where did all the pencils go? What did they do with the pencils? So we can conclude that each lost 2 pencils. So 10 pencils minus 2 pencils equals the missing part we're looking for. Mark's 9 pencils minus 2 pencils equals the rest of the pencils. Anna's 8 pencils minus 2 pencils equals the rest of the pencils. Which means the known part for each of them is 2. All right, now the question is, how many pencils did they have left? Well, for this one, we do know our partners to 10, and if we have 2, our missing part to get to 10 is 8. Excellent. Let's do that for here. For this one, let's draw a picture. We're going to draw to show the how many? 9 that Mark had to begin with. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And when I take away 2, should I take it from the 5 group or from the other part? From the other part. Take away 2. What's left? 5, 6, 7. So 9 minus 2 equals 7 pencils. And here we have Anna's pencils. 8 minus 2 is equal to, so we see that 2 is our known part. 8 is our whole. Let's count back. So let's draw a little tiny number path. Right number path. I'm going to stop at 8 because that's my whole. We're going to count back. So we're going to hop. Oh, wait, sorry. We're going to hop back. How many hops? 2 hops. So from our whole, we're going to take 1, 2 hops. What's our missing part? 6. Good. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So we now know that. In our question, how many pencils do they each have now? John has 8 pencils. Mark has 7 pencils. And Anna has 6 pencils. Pencils. Yes, those are their pencils. Excellent. All right, so let's go ahead. And we're still in topic J. Actually, the very last. What's the last one? The last lesson of Module 1. I know. The last lesson of Module 1. We're still looking at addition to help us solve subtraction. So that means we look at an addition chart. Nope, I don't want you to get yours out yet. I just want you to look at me. We're going to look at 5 plus 2 on the addition chart. Not both of them, just the 5 plus 2. So let's find 5 plus 2 on the addition chart. Okay, 5 plus 2. We already know we have a number bond, so let's fill in our missing parts. Well, they're not missing, we know them. What's missing is the whole. What's missing is the whole. So 5, a group of 5, a group of 2. That's our 5 group rule. We don't start at 1 if we see a whole hand. We automatically know, how's the hand feel weird? We automatically know we can start at 5, 6, 7. So 7 is our whole. So if 7 is our whole, then we can build in some number sentences here because we know all the pieces. Let's start with, noting our symbols, we're going to start with subtraction. Then we're going to do addition. Good. So 7 is the whole minus 5 is equal to 2. Because notice we started with 5 plus 2, so we'll start with 5 plus 2 here. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Is that the only number sentences from this number bond? There are, in fact, 2 more. So if there's 1 subtraction, then there are 2 subtraction. 1 addition, 2 addition. So we have subtraction, we have addition, we have another subtraction problem. Oh, switch colors. Sorry, guys. We have another subtraction problem, and we have another addition problem. So let's look at the subtraction problem we already wrote. Well, the rules of subtraction, you start with the whole, correct? This time up here, we took away 5 and we were left with 2. Now I want to take away 2 and leave 5. Let's do that with our hands. So we started with 7 as the whole, took away 5, left 2. This time, started with 7, took away 2, left 5. See how that happened? Same number bond. And the last known number sentence we have that has different. So we did 5 plus 2 equals 7. And what did we not circle up here earlier? It comes from the same number bond. We did not circle 2 plus 5. And we see that those are still our parts. We can flip-flop them and add them either way, long as all the pieces are together. I don't know. I'm just feeling silly today, guys. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So from this one number bond, we can generate 2 addition sentences and 2 subtraction sentences. All right, and that is exactly what we're working with today, using addition to make subtraction. Let us get into some book stuff. Let's see. All right, so this again is the addition chart. We're going to look at a few specific problems. Our first one will, and yep, nope, sorry, I forgot to say what page it's on. So, red number, red book, page number 161. The digits are 1, 6, and 1. See? It tells you to pick, but I'm going to pick for you. It tells you to pick, but I'm going to pick. So 161 in your Succeed book. We are going to do 2 plus 3. We're going to do 2 plus 3. That is what we have been given. We know that those are the parts on our number bond. If we have 2 and 3, what is our whole? 5. Excellent. Now we have been given the charge of building the how many number sentences? 4. The way this is set up, we're going to start with, read the symbol to me. That is the minus sign. It means we are subtracting. We are taking away. We're taking away from what? The whole. Our whole has what value? 5. Good. 5 minus, tell me a part. 2 is equal to the other part, which is 3. Subtraction. Whole minus part equals part. Whole minus part equals the other part. Our next setup is addition, and we're going to take it easy. We're going to start right here with just what was given. 2 plus 3. So part plus part equals whole. Part plus part equals whole. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Excellent. Now we have to do the part, not the part, do the work of identifying the other subtraction sentence, the other addition sentence, because we know it's there. We know it's there. So let's do subtraction. We're going to keep our little subtraction, addition, subtraction, addition. So if we started with 5, we took away 2, we were left with 3. Now, starting with 5, take away 3, we will be left with 2. Let's write the number sentence to match. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Good job. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. And the remaining addition sentence is what? Yep, we'll start with the 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. I know it's tedious. That's good for you because each number bond, unless you're dealing in doubles, then you have one addition and one subtraction, produces 4 number sentences. Okay. What else do we have? Yep. We have, 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6. All right. 2 plus 6. It tells us when I want to solve to put those pieces together to find the whole, what makes it easier? Starting with the bigger part. So I'll say 6, 7, 8. 8 is my whole, which means we can make our addition and subtraction. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Put a box around the hole. I want you to keep an eye on that hole. See that hole right there? It's subtraction. Ugh. Okay, now we're adding. We'll start with what they gave us. 2 plus 6, we've already found out, is equal to 8. So if 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, then 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Notice where we position our whole. For subtraction is at the beginning. We're starting with the big and working our way down. With addition, doing the same number sentence we used to solve, 6 plus 2 equals 8. It is the part plus the part is equal to the whole. We're trying to bring the pieces together, not take the pieces apart. You come up with another practice one? All right, let's do one more practice. see. Should we do 3 plus 4 or 4 plus 6? Let's do 3 plus 4. Let's do 3 plus 4. I like 3 plus 4. So if we have 3 plus 4, then we know our parts. 3 plus 4. And what is 3 plus 4? Well, we can count on, starting with the bigger part, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or we could draw a picture. Let's draw a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Why did I color it like that? To show that this is one part and this is the second part, but I grouped them as 5 and 2. What is my answer? 7. So this time we drew a picture to solve it. All right, so we know our addition sentence is 3 plus 4, and we found that this is equal to 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So if 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, then 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So what else is true of this number bond? In subtraction and in addition. Good. So if 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, then 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Minus 4 is equal to 3. Good. And lastly, we see that with 3 and 4 equals 7, then 4 and 3 also equals 7. 4 plus 3 also equals 7. 4 plus 3 also equals 7. We're not going to do 4 plus 6 this time. I think you got it. And don't worry, we'll work on this. Subtraction will be an thing that keeps going, as well as addition. And you know, word problems and shapes and money and all the other stuff we do in first grade. Okay, so now it is time for you to get to work. And that means completing your problem set. It does ask you to pick a subtraction card. So just like yesterday, where I told you which one you're going to do, I'm going to do the same thing. You're going to have 4 problems or 4 given subtractions to start with. And you're going to build all of the number sentences that are produced from the number bond of that subtraction problem. It starts on page 263. And actually instead of front and back, it is sheet of paper, next sheet of paper. So yeah, because they want you to be able to tear this out if you need to, and I definitely recommend tearing that out. It's a good plan. Your problems are on the next slide, just like yesterday. You're going to start with 9 minus 2, and then you will click for C2, click to C3, click to C4, working in your book, working in your book. Oh, it's been 10 minutes. I did my best. I'm going to proceed to my exit ticket, at which point you will then again be asked to produce the 4 number sentences from the given number bond, and click submit when you're done to turn in your work. All right, bye.